is it?
It's a baby inside.
Who baby?
What is it?
What is it, Alex?
An ear? I know what it is. A mouth?
But what is it?
You can see this right here. You can it's a
Who's having a baby?
You're having a baby?
So how do you feel?
Good day.
It's a good day.
Good day.
Felix, how do you feel?
Good.
Why are you scratching your head? Don't mess your hair. We still gotta take pictures. You have somebody else to mess with your stuff? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Are you just shocked?
I just want a sister.
Well, we can hope on that, but I don't know. I can't pick it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is MINERALIZE. If you are new here, this video is to tell you guys that the cat is out of the bag. The cat is out of the hat. I stirred the pot, I spilled the beans. I spilled the tea on my personal Facebook page. And today I wanted to share with you guys that I am pregnant. I am currently 15 weeks pregnant, and this feels so nostalgic because I've tried to vlog and document my pregnancy with my previous kids, but third time's the charm, right? This is my third go around, my third pregnancy, my third time trying to vlog, and I believe it's gonna work out. So I felt that I have to document it because I love doing YouTube. I really do. Right now I feel like life is not letting me fully do my channel how I want to, but it's okay. I know I'll get there one day. I let everybody know on my personal Facebook page that I was having a baby, and my whole friends and family from childhood to currently is beyond ecstatic and just very happy. I really do feel like everybody is genuinely happy for me and my family, especially because I have two older kids. You guys, it has been 8 years since I've been pregnant. Okay, that may not seem like a lot, but it is a lot when I've heard everything surrounding pregnancy, being pregnant and baby and all the things. Everything changes in a 3-year, like a rollover 3 years. Everything is completely different. So the fact that I am 8 years since I had my last kid, everything is so new to me. I definitely feel like a first-time mom. I'm new at this, and I just wanted to share what I want to expect in this pregnancy journey. There's a lot of things that I want to do this go around that I did not get the option to do with my first two kids. Being a first-time mom, I went with the flow of whatever my doctor and whatever the hospital and the staff told me to do, meaning hooking me up to all sorts of IVs, epidural, laying on my back, don't move, don't breathe, don't eat, don't do anything. I am exaggerated. Don't take that completely serious, but for that, just for the sake, I did not get to really have a say-so. I didn't know anything about what I know now, and so moving forward, what I expect, what I want to experience this time is a full natural birth, okay, as natural as possible. I did try to look into birthing centers, but it just wasn't in my budget, even though it is on a cheaper end compared to a hospital. My insurance will cover a full hospital birth, so full coverage versus having to come out of my pocket a few thousand. I went with the full coverage because I'm not one of those anti-medical type of people. I just wanted to make sense and be actually necessary. So this time around, I definitely want to go for a full natural birth. I definitely, with that meaning, as soon as I get to the hospital, I don't want to be hooked up to a bunch of IVs. I don't want, you know, syringes plugged all into me. I don't want a catheter. I don't want, you know, I'm still on the fence about the whole baby monitor thingy, but you could turn the beeping noise off. I don't want to hear that beeping, and I definitely don't want no epidural. If possible, if I could do some type of water therapy, pressure point, like acupuncture, but pressure point type acupuncture therapy. I'll use the peanut, the birthing stool, whatever it is, whatever I need to do and to use to get through labor is what I want to do. I want to be able to experience what my body is supposed to do. I am not finding out the gender, okay? I'm not gonna find out the gender, and here's why. I have 2 boys, right? Everybody is counting on this baby to be a girl. To be honest, I haven't even got that far. I'm still in denial on the fact that I am having a 3rd baby, which we'll get into in a minute. So I do not want to know the gender. So right now, everything is going to be very gender neutral, and I'm just going to roll with that. So moving forward, this pregnancy was not planned, okay? This pregnancy was not planned. I have been doing natural family planning for the last 8 years, and it has worked up until a couple of months ago. So it just so happened I conceived in August. But what happened was in July, I pretty much had a menstrual twice in a month, which threw off my calendar. To be honest, I've been using this app for so long, I don't even know the name of it, but I'll link it down below once I remember what it is. I've been using it forever, even before I had my 2 kids, and it's always consistent. But what happened, for some reason, my whole cycle happened twice in July, and it threw me off. It threw off my ovulation days, and boom, bang, pow, here we go. I'm 15 weeks pregnant. So that's what I'm saying. It was not planned, but we would not be unhappy that we are pregnant, because we were talking about having another kid next year, the 2022 year, not this year. But hey, things happen, life happens, and it happened for a reason, and so we're okay with that. I will say I was in denial. I think I still is in denial just a little bit, even though I have went and I've had my ultrasound. I am still in denial, and I don't know, it's like a happy denial. So with me documenting my pregnancy, I want to also talk about and share with you guys the changes that my body has been going through and what I have been suffering, because to be honest, you guys, this pregnancy is kicking my butt. This pregnancy is not like how my first 2 pregnancies were when I was in my 20s. I am also considered high risk. Like I said, I'm currently 34, but when this baby comes, I will be 35. I am hypertensive and pretty much high blood pressure, right? I'm short, I'm little, I'm only 5'2", and I have 0 to none torso. My torso is bite-sized, and the reason why I am bringing that up is because a lot of my body issues is because I have a short torso, right? I don't have that much room, and everything is getting smashed and compressed already just because of the way I'm naturally built. I was already just a tad bit overweight from COVID. I gained the 20 COVID pounds. So right now my current weight is 185 at 5'2". It doesn't look bad, but I can definitely feel it. And I pretty much want to share with you guys that all pregnancies is not bliss and glowiness, okay? It consists of constipation and nausea, weird pains in unusual places, not knowing, are you sick? Do you have allergies? What's the problem? Just the whole works. And I think it needs to be known. Nowadays people are talking about it a lot more, but I just want to put my 2 cents in, okay? Sometimes people just like to put their 2 cents in, and I want to put my 2 cents in the pot. So that's why I want to make some videos regarding this pregnancy, because a lot of this stuff, I can actually compare this pregnancy to my other 2 pregnancies, which is completely night and day. So yeah, those are some of the things that I want to bring up. If there's other things, maybe if there's something that you guys want to know or you want to ask me or you never asked a pregnant person about, you can ask me. I don't care. I'm not going to get mad, okay? I'm not going to get mad. You can ask me. So let's get into the fun part. So I'm going to show you guys my little 15-week belly. So here is what my 15-week belly looks like. It's cute. Right, I got boobs, and I got a belly, and I still have my butt. So, but yes, this is what 5'2", 185 looks like, with the whole organism just nesting on the inside. And here's my baby picture, ultrasound pictures. Thank you guys for tuning in and clicking on this video. I can't wait to see where this journey goes, how far it goes, and I hope you want to come along with me and be nosy. It's okay to be nosy. It's okay. I like to be nosy too. Don't be shy. Please don't be shy. Go ahead, like the video, comment down below if you can, subscribe if you. I hope you will subscribe. You should subscribe. If you got to this point, you should subscribe. So with that being said, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.